Hi, this is the solution for the question 9 in the assignment 8 for the probability course. And first, we look at the question first. It told us that x1, x2 is a Markov chain, and it wants us to show that it is statistically determined by its second-order probability masses. This is the second-order probability masses. So if there is only xi equal to xi, that's the first order probability masses. So here we can easily know that we can know that Markov chain has a very special property that its current state is only decided by the exact previous one, and the rest states before the previous one is not related to the current state. So it is a very important property we should take use of. So firstly, we can write the probability of from x1 to xn of all the probability, and we can use the conditional probability to write it into this way. It is a very easy formulation, and for this one we can also write this in the form in the way of conditional probability, like from this one to the second line, and we repeated it many times, and finally we can get from the conditional probability of xn minus 1 of xn minus 2, and finally we get xn equal the conditional probability of x1 like this. But the x1 is the initial state, so it's not decided by any previous states. It's like in this way, and we can know that we can take use of the special property of Markov chain that it is only decided by the previous one state, so we can write this into this way. And we should notice that take use of the conditional probability formulation, we can write this in this way. This is the probability of two random varieties. Is the conditional probability. This is the probability of this conditional, and we should notice that this one is decided by the second order probability masses, and for this one we also want to know that it is decided by the second order probability masses, so we can take use of the it's like in the way of the summary of the margin probability. It is a very basic formulation, so we can see that this one and this one are also decided by the second order probability masses, and this one shows that, and the totally this probability is decided by those all things multiply together. So we can see that this one is also determined by the second order probability masses. So finally we get this proved.